We are in the process of dealing with the accumulated pain that has happened over the course of time. And it's at this particular time that we, deep down in our souls, have to deal with the pain. And if I noticed, looking around, we as beings of people have lost something. And it's time to get it back. Our souls and our soulfulness.
Halato, Halito, great grand rising to us all. Just wanted to do this really short video because what I'm noticing out there is a lot of people have lost their soulfulness. And we're going to need our soulfulness extremely more and more as we go deeper and deeper and deeper into the cycle of renewal. And I'm noticing that we've lost a lot of our soulfulness due to the events that have happened long before we got here, due to the events that are happening right up to this very day. I mean, you don't have to go any further to look into some of our communities and see how down and destitute they are, or our education system. The amount of murders that we're committing amongst our own people. We've lost something deep down inside. And part of my reason of doing what I'm doing, why the universe put me here at this particular time, is to help people get back their soulfulness. Remember back in the 70s, everything was about soul? Back in the 60s, even in the 50s, it was about soul. And then it turned into spirit. Because what happened is that your soul became depleted and became desperate and was looking for any kind of spiritual energy that it could get. So what I would like to do is remind people how great they are. In some of the videos that we're going to be putting out, I want you to be able to understand that you are the toast of the universe. And you can call in anything that you desire, anything that you commit your intentions to. And when you're dealing about bringing in energy, whether it's high vibration, low vibration, all of those vibrations is energy. And energy is all abundant throughout the universe, abundant all over. And that energy is converted into your system through your programming, through what you would call your belief system. But a lot of times before you could begin to start bringing in that really great energy, to be able to attract the things that you want, to be able to get into synchronicity, to be able to begin to start seeing the manifestations in your life that you are calling forth in your own mind, sometimes what you have to do is settle your mind. And we as a people have to settle our minds and begin to start reprogramming, bringing in another program in order for us to be able to be more soulful. I use a lot of times a 417 megahertz tone of music. And what that does, it helps to relieve the subconscious mind of a lot of negative energy. And it promotes inward healing. So we have to heal from inside. And then we're able to project our intentions to the outside. So when it comes down to doing this, a lot of it's done through meditation. So I just wanted to really, for the very beginners, if you don't know how to meditate or anything like that, a lot of times people say, you got to quiet your mind. Quiet your mind. Become completely quiet. Well, the reality about that is that what you want to do is that you want to steady your being. You want to find a quiet place. A place where you won't be disturbed for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just the beginning, just to try to get you into the thing of it. And you want to just be still. Not necessarily concentrating on anything, but just be still. One of the reasons why some people close their eyes is because the eyes are a receptacle and it brings in a lot of information. So they close their eyes to shut off the information that's all around them in this 3D world that we're in. And then you breathe. You give really good deep breaths, maybe 3 deep breaths. Oh, I'm feeling it right now. I'm feeling the energy and the rushing of beautiful energy coming inside of me right now. I'm feeling the goodness of peace and calm that is surrounding me. It feels wonderful. It feels wonderful. And then as you're doing that, you settle your mind and just allow the thoughts to go. Don't try to think about the thoughts and try to end the thoughts, and then you think about the thoughts and try to end the thoughts. Let the thoughts run through your mind. Let them run. And you become peaceful. Just let them run. Feel what's going on inside of your body. Feel what's going on inside of your mind. And at first, it's going to be very chaotic, very hectic. But this is the beginning processes of reprogramming your subconscious mind and bringing your conscious mind under control. Because we have all these different feelings, because we have a body, we have eyesight, we have touch, we have smell, we have hearing, there's going to be a lot of things going on inside of your mind. There's a lot of thoughts, a lot of worries, and this is the beginning part of what you want to be able to begin to start doing is relaxing and bringing calm into your mind. Embrace your feelings. Don't be ashamed of them. Embrace your feelings. And then just begin to start learning how to let them go. And in the next video, I'll talk about that. Embracing and letting them go. But you do this for about 5 minutes and just at calm. And then you tell yourself, I am a beautiful person. I am connected with the universe. I am the energy of goodness, of healing, of beauty, of love. I am deserving of all of my beautiful tensions that are inside. I intend for my intent to be realized. And I intend for my intents to be realized immediately. And I intend for this day to be a peaceful, loving day with a lot of good vibrations coming inside of me. And the reason why I intend this is because the peace that is inside of me, I am able to give out to the world and able to help myself heal and help the world heal and the things that are around me heal with love. So this is what you do on a morning basis. Every day you get into your intent just for about 3-5 minutes, just the beginning. And the next video that we'll give with bringing back our soulfulness, our inner being, and moving forward, I'll talk about how you can begin to start letting go of a lot of the pain that's inside of you. May the universe bless you. May the universe bring in all the happiness that is deserving of a great being such as you. You are great. Your inner soul is wonderful. And through all the pain and anything that you've experienced, you can move forward. This is Ronnie McLennan, New Thunder. I thank you very much for being here today. Thank you so much for being here today. Spread the love. Your inner soul is beautiful.